we're gonna do is we're gonna test out this cocktail glitter. That I have because I'm curious to see how it is in cocktails. Now, if you're not familiar with this, it is basically a party trick, but you get to put glitter in your cocktails and it makes them pretty. So, oh, cool, it's from Bellingham, Washington. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna put a little tiny bit in our drink because it says only put a tiny bit. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna stir it around, and I might have to add more, we'll see, but I wanted to start with a little bit and see how that is. Yeah, I think I needed a bit more because I can't really see anything happening. But, so let's see what a little bit more does. Oh. Okay, so I don't really know how much, I mean, it just says you're supposed to put a smidgen for a sparkly finish, but the picture they had showed it being kind of very obviously glittery, so that's why I'm kind of curious to see. And I did add a smidgen, but nothing happened, so let's add we added a smidgen more, and we'll see what happens. Okay. So it's kind of floating in the cocktail, and I will say it does look very pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but it does look very pretty. It has like a shimmer on top of it, little shimmery spots. I don't really think it's showing up in the actual cocktail, so that's interesting. But like I said, the top looks very glittery and it's lovely, but it's not really giving the effect that I was expecting, which was just like full on glitter, right? So I don't know, interesting. Let's see. I don't think it affects the flavor at all though, so that's good. But I don't think it does what I thought it was gonna do, which was make the drink really, really sparkly. And so yeah, okay. Anyway, cheers.